Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge and Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2016 Chrysler 200LX. Under the hood we have a 2.4-liter i4 engine and a 9-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in bright white, looks fantastic. Got that Chrysler badging up front there with your projector-style headlights right there. And coming around the side we do have our 17-inch rims with our Nokian brand tires. They look great. You also have your mirrors hanging out right there, and coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle, you do have your 200 badging as well as the Chrysler, and you can open it up just like that. Now, lots of room back here as well. You can fold those seats forward from the inside if you did need extra room, and you can fold this guy up, and you got your pump just underneath there. Okay, got our keys here. 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock. We do have our button there for the back, and then you have your panic button there. It does also have proximity keyless entry, so if you have the key on you, you just got to put your hand in there, it will unlock. Plus you do have the button there to lock it. On the door here, you have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all here. Handle and some storage down there. Looks awesome in here, very spacious and very comfortable as well. The seats are very soft. You do have the controls over the lights right here, so you're off, on, daytime running lights, and auto, as well as your in-cabin light control here, and this one does open up the back. And then up here you got the controls over the turning signals, and you do have the controls over your high beam. Push to start, so foot on the brake, press the button, and it starts right up for us. In the center here we do have our speedometer and odometer, as well as fuel gauge and engine temperature. Right in the center it does tell us how many kilometers we have, which is 50,000, not too bad at all. You also have the temperature outside and the speedometer, but you can switch that around to your vehicle info, fuel economy, trip info, audio, messages, screen setup, settings, and back to your speedometer. That is controlled from right here. You have your horn in the center and cruise control options right there, and then you do have your windshield wiper control right there. In the center you do have your display for your radio, so you do have your AM and FM there. Media tab if you haven't hooked up. Presets down here, info, ABC, volume up and down with the skip and mute and the pause, and then you also have your audio, menu, and back button. Tuner and browser there, and then down here in the climate control you got the power up and down with the circulation. Temperature control, you have your traction control and your hazard lights as well as your mode. Then you have your gear shift right here, just like that, and then you do have your electronic parking brake right here. Cup holders here, you can also open that up and you got some room just in there with an aux cord and USB plug-in. You also have some more storage just in there. And then over here we do have our locking glove box with our owner's manual inside of it. And then up top you do have your sunglass holder right here and some lights as well. Let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door here you got your handle. You do have your control over your windows and a handle here. Looks awesome back here as well. Very spacious. Seats 3 people, so 5 altogether. You can fold this guy down. You do have an armrest with some cup holders. You also have that guy there. And you can fold those seats forward as well, just with this one right here. And there's our 2.4-liter i4 engine. Well, that does it for my walk-around video, the 2016 Chrysler 200LX. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.